Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video on sheet metal design and I am going to focus on the first command. It is called as primary wall, or you can say planar wall. This is the first command we have to be used when we started to design sheet metal work. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, take this file, click on this new, take this and select the sheet metal over here. You can enter the file name, and this video is about planar wall. So I am going to fill this planar wall. Click on OK and make it in millimeters. Now this is the workplace or interface of the sheet metal, and this upside is it's called as ribbon. In this you can get all the commands. Okay, and next here you can see the first command planar we have to use, or we will see what is the application of this and how to use that one. Okay, so click on this planar command for producing the primary wall. Select this plane, click on this normal view. Okay, and take this rectangle, center rectangle, draw it from over here. Click on this OK. Okay, now the sheet is created, you can see here, and the direction of extrusion is upside. Here you can see this is the section 1, and this here you can see this is the thickness of this sheet, 1 millimeter. If you wanted to make changes, I wanted to make it 10 millimeters, put 10 millimeters and make and enter. Here you can see now this sheet is of 10 millimeters. You can change the direction of extrusion from here. Okay, and this symbol is for preview, like this, and again editing it, click on this resume, click on this green tick mark. Okay, now this is your primary wall, or you can say as a planar we have to use in design field or design the sheet metal. Okay, so if you wanted to rename it, right click on this and rename. This is the primary wall, so I am going to rename it as a primary wall. It is not taking cause I just put this space between these. We don't have to make this space. Planar, key underscore and all. Okay, like this planar wall. And if you right click here, you can see edit dimension. If you click on this, so here the dimension will show. Here this is the 10 thickness, length and width is showing here. Okay, if you wanted to make the changes, double click on this. So the dimension tab is open. I wanted to make it 500. Click on this. Now here is you can see this length is generated 500 for the sheet metal. Make it, take this front view. You can show or you can see. Click on the dimension, make it 400 and enter. Okay, and next you can change from here also by putting the dimension or length and width over here. If you click on this dimension, so this dimension tab automatically get open. Okay, if you want it, here is the dimension format. You can make it this decimal or fractional, and here is here you can see the dimension text. Okay, if you wanted to make the changes in dimension or add some symbols at the pre of the dimension and after the dimension, so you can put over here prefix and suffixes. Okay, I will show you an example. This sign. Okay, so here you can see this perpendicular sign is, this is the prefix, and by clicking here you can put over next symbol. You can put the symbols as per the design criteria or as per the customer drawing, and click aside. Here it will, system will generate changes on this dimension. Okay, like this. This is all about this, and this is the first video on this sheet metal design. And now you have generated this planar wall, and after that you can see most of the commands are active now. Okay, and thank you very much for watching this video.